Alright everybody, I'm on my way to the Arrowhead field. Looks like somebody popped a good one on the road. Sure enough. Later y'all, just thought I'd show you that. Y'all wish me luck. Hey everybody, History Looker 7. They discus field the farmers finally yesterday, just a light discing. It come in just a little shower rain last night, so I thought I'd hit it, see if I could do any good. They'll probably disc it again tomorrow, but I wanted to get in here before they disc it again, see if I can find anything. We'll see what happens. I'll let you know if I come across anything later. Yeah, ain't no arrowhead, but there's a piece of old crock right there. Got the old blue writing on it and stuff. Pretty cool. I'd like to find a whole one of them later. Well, y'all, I just picked up my first chunk of artifact, but it broke there and there and there. It broke all the way around, but it's got a really nice edge on it. Serrated up. Wish that had been a hole. Later. Yeah, I just kicked up a little base here. Nice little base. All broke up. Anyway, maybe I'll find a hole, and I don't know. Need more rain. Barely got enough to settle the dust last night. So anyway, y'all, maybe next one. Alright y'all, it's real windy out here, but can't hardly see, but I've come up on something. I think it might just be a scraper or something. I can't really tell. Maybe y'all can see it. I can't hardly. But it's down in there. Thought I'd see. Hey. Cool, man. Good scraper. Yeah. Worked all down over here on this edge. Oh yeah. The thing will be pretty after it's washed up. Oh yeah. That's about the best thing I've found so far. Maybe I'll find something spectacular, but that's a pretty cool end scraper there. Heck yeah, I'll take it. Later, y'all. Alright, everybody. I got back from the Arrowhead fields. I've had these laying out here a little while. I thought I'd do a little cleanup video after I got the dirt off everything. And these are just some few flakes and broke pieces I found. That one's got a worked edge on it, but it's just a broke piece. And then this one here got some real good serrations on that edge right there. And it's broke 3 or 4 different places. That'd have probably been a good one though. Really nice edge on it. But then here's a little broken notch base, got a real pretty color to it, but it's broke. Can't win them all though, heck. Some days you just don't find good stuff. And there's some kind of Indian rock. I don't know what it is. It's knocked down all the way around, like they used it for something. I don't even know what kind of material that is. That backside's smooth, like some kind of chert or plant, or I don't know, something out of the river, which we way off the river. Where I found it, it was carried there anyway. Sure enough. And then here's about the only good piece I found. Really good Good end scraper, and it's really worked off good on that end. Uniface. Got a chip out there and a chip out there. But even this end's worked down pretty good, down to a point. I guess they probably, figured they probably used that end for end scraper and that end there for probably a knife or something. I don't know. Pretty cool though. Worked pretty good. But need some more rain. Old field's kind of dry, you know. But here's the other stuff I found. Pieces of old crock. There's a really old house place there or something at one time. I found some pretty good stuff there in the past metal detection. I'll have to show y'all sometime. But just some old cool glass and button. Anyway, I picked all that stuff up too. I like that stuff too. I'll put that on a jar, set it on my fine shelf one of these days. Yeah, but that's about the only really cool piece I found today. I like it. But anyway, I really do appreciate y'all watching, and if you like this kind of stuff, y'all consider subscribing. It'll help me out a lot. I got a long way to go to 1,000, but everyone helps, and those of you that have subscribed, I sure do appreciate you. And some of you, I can see who you are, and some of them I can't. I don't know how that all works, but I appreciate y'all. And y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Later.